Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you with the beautiful and the amazing video nail art, which is polka dot nail art. So watch the video till end and enjoy the video till end. And if you like one of the idea, then write in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Viewers, uh, hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health, and wealth. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen, the wonderful ideas of the nail art which is in trend, the polka dot nail art, which is very interesting and very beautiful. The colors and the style of the dots is looking very interesting one. This is very unique one with the black and white. This is very interesting also, nude pink, black and white. This is also with nude color, and the each and every nail art is of medium length, and this one is looking very nice, red one. This is looking also very interesting. The nude one, beautiful one. This one is also beautiful. This is matte one, but looking very nice. The bow with the polka dot with red and black. Again white and black one, looking very interesting. The colorful polka dot. Each and every design of the ideas is very unique and beautiful. So must try it on your occasions in your daily life and enjoy your manicure, beautiful manicure with it. Viewers, here I'm going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon. And must share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself, just because we need your support on daily basis. And must visit my channel for more interesting and beautiful ideas of nail art, different type of ideas, unique, advanced, trendiness. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.